We are here at the Next Gen BSS and Data Monetization Conference being held in London. This is an annual event where operators, analysts, journalists and suppliers from the industry come together to discuss the key challenges and the trends that are shaping the industry.
There's a lot of discussion at the moment about contextual awareness. Operators have the objective to delight their customers by offering an immediate response to whatever they need right now, based on a detailed understanding of the customer's context. One example would be a customer with a low data balance who's interested to watch a video, and as they open the video application, that's a good time to offer them a day pass, so that it's a win for the customer and the operator delights them with the response just what they need at the right time. Another example might be if a customer is experiencing several dropped calls, then the operator could offer an apology and perhaps some extra minutes of credit. The technology to enable this has advanced a lot in the last few months. Key to this is big data analytics. The ability to get a real-time view of what's happening on the data network especially is now something which operators can do with these new big data platforms. Secondly, complex event processing. The key here is to be able to take different data sources and to construct complex events and business processes around those complex events in order to understand the customer's context much better. So, alongside this, there's a good discussion going on in the industry about personal data privacy and what can be legally done and what's actually acceptable to end customers. But in practice, the key to all of this is, first of all, to get customers to opt in, but once they have opted in, to give them a delightful experience so they appreciate it and stay opted in.
A key trend that's shaping up in the telecom industry today is partnerships between telecom operators and OTT players. Everyone in the industry today agrees that there is value in it for all the stakeholders involved. However, a key requirement for the success of these partnerships is scale. Scaling of the number of partners and also number of use cases. But today, operators and OTTs are basically hand-cranking to make the systems of all parties involved to talk to each other. This process is not only expensive, it is extremely slow. And agile, innovative players like the OTTs, they do not like that. In order to make this process more efficient and more successful, operators could leverage B2B collaboration platforms. Collaboration platforms offer self-service to the OTT players, making it very smooth and efficient. It allows stakeholders involved to expose their API libraries in a very smart way. It also allows product innovation and it allows communication and non-communication products to be converged and mashups to be launched into the market. China Telecom has been doing this since 2011 and they are generating over $1 billion annually in incremental revenue. You could argue that this is not replicable in Europe, but recent research from Nord Stream has revealed that Western European operators could generate 2.2 billion euros in incremental profit.
A key trend in BSS currently is real-time self-service. The idea is to offer end customers fine-grained control of their own experience of using the mobile network, especially data services. Usually this is done through an application on a smartphone to give customers that control. One example might be a customer who wants to turbo boost the speed and quality of video for a couple of hours while they're watching a movie. Perhaps another customer wants to set their own personalized budget controls. Another wants to send a gift of mobile data or some other resource to friends or family members. The real objective behind this is two things. Firstly, it's been found that if customers have more fine-grained control, they have more confidence in the use of the mobile data network especially, and that results in increased adoption and increased usage of data services. The second thing, very, very important, is to differentiate through customer experience. Operators have a very competitive environment these days, and customer experience, customer engagement is vital to differentiation in what is now a very, very competitive world.